everyone else. Richard, let me just explain to you. What about Kashmir? Now, India has usurped the rights of the people of Kashmir.
I'm sorry, Mr. Khan.
Kashmir is a disputed territory between Pakistan and India. So it's very important. No, but it's very important. No, Richard.
I'm sorry, but we're asking you a question about Russia
here,
Mr.
It's very important.
And I don't want you to do a sort of whataboutism time to talking about Kashmir. I would just like to ask one further question about your visit to Russia before we move on.
No, Richard.
I want to ask you this question.
I first want to move on and talk about Kashmir.
No, I'm sorry, Mr. Khan. I'm the person who asks questions in this interview.
They matter to us. So what about us?
Yeah.
How about other people not worrying about our human rights and what matters to us? Why are we supposed to condemn issues which are... It's a European issue. So please, have some balance in this.
Mr. Khan,
don't just put us in a spot that, you have to, because it's your issue, we have to take sides. Allow us the luxury to stay neutral so that we can look after our own people. My responsibility, I repeat again, are my 220 million people of Pakistan.